So to make, this is the sleeve and this is the cuff, so it's a lot smaller. So what I've decided to do is just to do a running stitch through the bottom of the sleeve like you do at the top of your beanie hats. So it's literally just in and out all the way around. Don't let the end come out. And maybe a couple of little pins you could have to hold your cuff in place. Oops. So come round to the end of here. And you get your two ends together. So that bit and that bit pull. Evenly spread it out. And then push the push the cuff inside. I'll just pull that around there a little bit more. And pull it a little bit tighter so it's the same. And then we're just going to stitch around it. Okay, so I'll stitch around and I will come back and show you the finished piece once I've done that. Just try and keep it nice and neat with it being two different colours. So I'm just sewing across the shoulder there, and then I'm going to cross the sleeve to the top of the shoulder to there, and then I'll meet you back when I've done both sides. That's all the sides sewing down now. So I'm just going to put the front rib on. I'm leaving the bottom, I think, and I'm going to make some cuffs. So that's how it turns out when you just do a little gather in your sleeve and then you join it to your cuff.